This movie gives a very good message to the parents. But on the lighter note, this movie cannot be seen with parents. This movie also shows teenage issues. There's a sexual urge due to the developing of hormones in adult age. This is a kind of energy. If you do not channelize this energy, then it will get wasted from the bottom parts of the body. But if you channelize this energy in some positive activities, like in sports or in hobbies or in meditation, then you can utilize this energy in a very productive form. Life is the sum of all these phases which give us learning of whole journey of life. And if we talk about the love life, the world is not lagging with people. Hello viewers. All India Rank is a realistic movie which most of the people will be able to relate. This is the story of a boy who takes IIT coaching to fulfill his father's IIT dream. It shows how he reaches to the coaching and how he settles down and how he cooperates with the education. He also made few friends and how these friends influences his life is also shown. The movie concludes by saying that everyone in life is searching for the control. Music in the movie is according to the situation. And everyone in the movie has acted very well, especially Vivek's parents. The film is from 90s and is shown simple. There's no illogical fashion is added. That's why the film seems exactly like reality. If we see the positive aspect of the film, the first is the struggle of the Vivek's parents. Father was going through very difficult situation, but still he does not tell anything to his child. Vivek's father was on suspension and his mother was being harassed by a college boy, and along with that, his mother also had health issues. Yet they did not tell their son anything about their problems. If we see this thing from the Vivek's side, he also has his own struggles. He did not want to go to IIT, but still he struggles for his parents. This is what most of the children do in real life also. Next positive aspect if we see is that when Vivek's father came to know that even an IIT kid can be characterless, he deeply analyzed the matter and stopped pressurizing Vivek and told him that there are many other things also happening in life other than IIT. This movie gives a very good message to the parents. But on the lighter note, this movie cannot be seen with parents. If we see the negative analysis of the movie, in the office circle of Vivek's father, only those people were respected whose children took admission in IIT. Seeing this, Vivek's father also put pressure on his child Vivek to do IIT. He also felt that whoever does IIT gets good character and gets respect in the society. Human beings mostly form their point of view from their surroundings only, but it is not necessary that what you see is true. This is shown in the movie. The second negative aspect that we see is that when Vivek's mother was attacked for the first time, then only his father should have taken some action. But he kept delaying, and that's why that college boy gains courage and he keeps on doing the mischievous things. The next negative thing which is shown in the movie is an IIT boy has been shown to be very vulgar. This thing is very shocking and scary if something like this happens in reality. If we see the Vivek's life, he also started learning bad habits. He has slight idea of his parents' struggle, but still he has wasted a lot of time in games, in drinking and in magazines. This movie also shows teenage issues. There's a sexual urge due to the developing of hormones in adult age. This is a kind of energy. If you do not channelize this energy, then it will get wasted from the bottom parts of the body. But if you channelize this energy in some positive activities, like in sports or in hobbies or in meditation, then you can utilize this energy in a very productive form. This thing will not be told to you by the market because market want to sell the products. The lesser you know is better for them. Therefore, take the decisions wisely. If we see the next negative aspect, Rinku's friend Chandan lied that he don't study, so that Rinku also not study. But he used to study somewhere else, hiding it from Rinku. This thing shows the feeling of jealousy in a way, which should not have happened in friendship. And this thing hit Rinku hard in heart. If you see in real life also, people who are very close to us also become jealous of us, except parents. Why is it like that? We will discuss this later in this video. If we see the stupidity angle in the movie, Vivek's friend Rinku felt that both his friend and his girlfriend had betrayed him, while this thing could have been taken in another way also by him. Because of this, he became so depressed that he attempted suicide. Students feel what they are seeing in life is the whole life. Apart from this, there's nothing else in the life. Whereas this is just a phase of life. Life is the sum of all these phases which give us learning of whole journey of life. In career, there are many options, and the option of business and teaching is always open to everyone. And if we talk about the love life, the world is not lagging with people. Rinku should have handled the situation very intelligently, but he showed stupidity. If we do the spiritual analysis, we can take the example of Chandan. Chandan was a very old friend of Rinku, but still he was so much jealous of him. You can like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.